My name is David Crane. I founded DebateWise. This screencast provides an overview of Google Wave and will hopefully help you get used to its rather new environment. The first thing to point out is that Wave works best in Google Chrome. It will work in other browsers, but just not as well. The second thing to say is that even with Chrome, Wave is, well, let's say, clunky. It can be slow, it can be unresponsive, and it will crash every now and then. But this is very new technology and we're at the bleeding edge, so we need to accept clunkiness as part of the deal. We get to use something fantastic very early, but it won't work all the time. The actual environment itself is divided into three main areas. There's the left column with key navigation links and your contacts. The middle column is your inbox, and the right column, the Wave itself. One more bit of terminology. An individual message within a Wave is called a blip. The green border around these messages indicates a blip. This is a blip, as is this, and this, and this. Green is used in quite a few other places too. At the top of the Wave, you'll see a green dot next to anyone who's online. There's one on my picture, for example. And if we go to this Wave here, and scroll down, we'll see a green line to the left of any blip I haven't read. Going back to the inbox, the green button here shows how many blips are unread in that Wave. As you read a blip, that number goes down from 83 to 82, 81, 80, and so on. You read a blip by clicking in it, or a quick tip, hit the spacebar, and that will take you to the next unread blip. One of the things that becomes really important to do is manage your inbox. You'll want to know which Waves have been updated since you last viewed them, and you can do this in two ways. One is the green indicator, and second is that the debate title will go bold. However, this doesn't work perfectly. It seems that the Wave title will go bold if someone adds a new blip, or edits a blip, or deletes a blip, or adds a new participant, which means if you go to a blip expecting new content, you might be disappointed. The other slightly confusing thing is, Wave only counts a blip as read if you click on it. Just scrolling through is not enough. There are still 79 unread blips in this Wave. It's only when you click a blip or hit the spacebar that the number goes down. One of the things I found very helpful is to mark all blips as read, which you do by holding the control key down and hitting the spacebar. And now all the blips in this Wave are marked as read. As you can see, it's a very busy Wave, so there's already a new message there. The next time you go to this Wave, you should be taken straight to the last unread message. The last thing this screencast will focus on is replying to messages. You can reply by clicking where those blue bars are, or by the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of the blip. If you want to reply at the bottom of the Wave, you can scroll down, or you can hit Shift and Enter, and you'll get taken to the bottom. You can also reply in line by highlighting some text and pressing the return key. Though you do want to be careful about this, as it can make Waves confusing. If you want to delete your blip, again, the drop down menu in the top right hand corner and delete. Wave is a very new environment and there are quite a few things to learn. But it shouldn't take you long to get up to speed, and the best way to improve is to practice. And if you get stuck, just ask a question. There's lots of helpful people out there. Thanks for watching.